Hey, this is Judy Sardin, and I will be live in about 30 minutes on my Facebook group, How to Homeschool. I will be talking about how to get up and running with your homeschool. I will talk about deschooling. I will talk about socialization. And more importantly, I will be talking about how to figure out how to get started, how to get up and going, and how best to considerations for looking at curriculum. I already cover that in an extensive video on my Facebook page, How to Homeschool. So if you want to see a full video on specifically how to select curriculum, pop on over there to the Facebook group. But in the meantime, come on over. I'll be there live at 1 p.m. Eastern Time today, and I will have this particular video on how to start homeschooling up through Sunday, March 1st. So if you can't catch it today, be sure to join the group and watch it before it comes down on March 1st. So meet me over in my Facebook group, How to Homeschool, and I will see you soon.